If A and B are points, respectively, find 2AB. So coordinates of A is -6, 7, of B -1, -5. Now we need to find AB. We use the distance formula, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So that is -6 minus of -1 the whole square, y1 minus y2, 7 minus of -5 the whole square. So AB would be equal to -6 plus 1 the whole square plus 7 plus 5 the whole square. So this is -5 the whole square plus 12 the whole square under root, which is 25 plus 144 under root 169, and this is 13. So AB equal to 13, twice AB is 2 into 13, which is 26 units. If the distance between the points 4K, 1, 0 is 5, then what can be the possible values of K? So we have P and say this is Q. So we have P, 4 and K, and Q, 1 and 0. So PQ distance x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So PQ is given to us as 5. So 5 equal to x1 minus x2 is 4 minus 1 the whole square plus K minus 0 the whole square. Squaring on both the sides, you get 25 equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus K square. So 25 equal to 9 plus K square. So 25 minus 9 equal to K square. 16 equal to K square. K is under root 16 plus minus. So plus minus 4 equal to K. So possible values of K is plus 4 or K is minus 4. Find the length of the median AD of triangle ABC where A, B and C is given to you. So let's draw the triangle. So is A, B and C. A is given as 4 minus 8, B 3, 6, and we have C is 5 minus 4. We need to find the median. So for median first we need to know the midpoint. This is the median, AD. This is D here. So we need to find AD. So first we will find the coordinates of D. First point is coordinate of D. Now D is midpoint. Midpoint of BC. So we know B is 3, 6 and C is 5 minus 4. So the coordinates of D will be x1 plus x2 divide by 2 midpoint, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. That's the formula for midpoint. That is 3 plus 5 divide by 2, 6 minus 4 divide by 2. So D will be, this will be 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and this is 2 by 2, that is 1. So this points are 4 and 1. So here I have 4 and 1. So now we find AD. To find AD, we know the coordinates of A is 4 minus 8 and of D is 4 comma 1. So to find AD, we use distance formula. 4 minus 4 the whole square minus 8 minus 1 the whole square. So that will be 0 plus 9 the whole square minus 9 the whole square, which is under root of 9 square, which is 9. So the length of AD is 9. So you need to remember that this is midpoint. These are two equal. So two steps. First you find coordinates of D by using midpoint formula, and the second step then you find the length of AD. Prove that A, B, C are the vertices of a right angled triangle. So we have A, which is 3, 0. You have B, 6, 4, and C, minus 1, 3. We have to show that the vertices of a right angle triangle. So in the first step, we will find AB. So AB will be 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square. x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. So this would be now minus 3 the whole square, and this is minus 4 the whole square. So AB is 9 plus 16, and AB is under root 25. So we have AB equal to 5. So I found AB. Now I'm going to find BC, all the three sides of the triangle. So BC again is x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So BC equal to 7 square plus 1 square. So BC equal to 49 plus 1. So BC under root 50. Then we have AC. So for AC, we will find AC. So AC again, x1 minus x2, 3 plus 1 the whole square, and here 0 minus 3 the whole square. So AC equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, and this would be 25 under root 25. So AC is 5. So I found the three sides of the triangle. So I got AB is 5 units, then BC under root 50 units, and AC is 5 units. Now if it's a right angle triangle, I have to use Pythagoras theorem. So if AB I know, so AB square will be 5 square, which is 25. BC square will be under root 50 the whole square, that is 50, and AC square will be 5 square, and that is 25. Now what have you noticed? That AB square plus AC square, let's see what is AB square plus AC square, is 25 plus 25, that is 50, and this is equal to BC square, because BC square is also 50. So we got AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Therefore, by converse of Pythagoras, it is a right angle triangle. who you think will be the hypotenuse? If you see the largest side is square is here 50, so 50 must be the hypotenuse. This must be BC here, and here would be your A. So it's right angled at A. This is 5 under root 50. These two are equal. In fact, it is an isosceles right angle triangle. So when you want to prove something is a right angle triangle, you got to use converse of Pythagoras. The vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C and D are given. So let's write down. A is 3 minus 4. You have B minus 1 minus 3. You have C minus 6 and 2. Now the fourth vertex is not given. So we'll put the fourth vertex as AB. We don't know what it is. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex and the length of AB and BC. That AB, BC you can do on your own. It is just by distance formula. But let's find the fourth vertex. Now the property of parallelogram is the diagonals bisect. See, they bisect at point O. So we need to write that diagonals bisect at O. Diagonals bisect. That is the property of the parallelogram. So which means O is the midpoint of AC. O is midpoint of AC. So say O, which we write as xy, will be equal to 3 minus 6 over 2 minus 4 plus 2 over 2. So xy, this we are using midpoint or section formula, minus 3 by 2 and this is minus 1. These are the coordinates of O. Now O is also midpoint of the other diagonal BD because they bisect. So O is midpoint of BD. So O, that is xy, also will be equal to section formula A minus 1 over 2, B minus 3 over 2. You know midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. But we have already found x and y here, right? We know that x is minus 3 by 2 and y is minus 1. So that is equal to A minus 1 over 2, B minus 3 over 2. Now when we compare, this is equal. So I say minus 3 by 2 equal to A minus 1 by 2, minus 3 equal to A minus 1, A equal to minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2 equal to A. And the y also will be equal. So this y will be equal to this. So minus 1 equal to B minus 3 over 2. Cross multiply, minus 2 equal to B minus 3. So B is minus 2 plus 3. So B equal to 1. So A minus 2, B equal to 1. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divided the line segment joining A and B. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So here we have the y-axis. So let the required point be P. Now P lies on the y-axis. Because P lies on the y-axis, the coordinates of P will be 0, y. Let me draw the figure for this. So here I have AB. A is 5 minus 6 and the B is minus 1 minus 4. And I want to know in what ratio will the y-axis cut it. So this is the y-axis, and the point on the y-axis is P. So we take P as 0, y, because it lies on the y-axis. We have to find the ratio. So we'll say let the ratio be k is to 1. So I'll say let the ratio be k is to 1. So here I have point A. Point A is 5 minus 6, B is minus 1 minus 4, and it is point P, which is 0y, lies on AB. So by section formula, we know xy, that is 0y here, P is 0y, will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, and here m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. Now here is my x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is m1 and m2. So we put our values. So we have 0 comma y equal to, the ratio is k is to 1, so this will be now k into minus 1 plus 1 into 5 over k plus 1, and here we'll have k into minus 4 plus 1 into minus 6 over k plus 1. So 0y equal to minus k plus 5 over k plus 1, and here minus 4k minus 6 over k plus 1. Now we'll equate, we know the x coordinate, so this x coordinate and this we will equate. So this is what we got. So now this x will be equal to this x, so we have 0 equal to minus k for 5 k plus 1, 0 into k plus 1 minus k plus 5, 0 minus k plus 5, k equal to 5. So the ratio is 5 is to 1. Now here y will be equal to this coordinate, so y equal to minus 4k minus 6 over k plus 1. Now we got our k is 5, so y equal to minus 4, this is 5 minus 6, 5 plus 1, so y equal to minus 20 minus 6 over 6, so y is minus 26 over 6, so y is minus 13 over 3. So remember, we are taking the coordinates of P at 0y because it lies on the y-axis, therefore x is 0. So this would be now 0 minus 13 over 3. Find the ratio in which the point O divides the line segment joining A, B. So let's draw. We have the line segment here. We have the 2 points A and B. So we know A is 1 by 2, 3 by 2. And here B is 2 minus 3. And the point is in the middle here. This point is O, which is 3 by 4, 5 by 12. We have to find the ratio. So let the ratio be k is to 1. So we say let the ratio be k is to 1. So by section formula, this is, we know x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is xy. So we know k O divides AB in a ratio k:1. Therefore, by section formula, we have xy equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, and this is m2 or y1 plus m1 y2 equal to m1 plus m2. Now the coordinates of O are 3 by 4 and 5 by 12 equal to, here we have k into 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2, and the other coordinates will be k into minus 3 plus 1 into 3 by 2. So that is 2k plus 1 by 2. Here we'll have, just do it again, 2k plus 1 by 2 here, and here we have minus 3k this is over k plus 1, and here also over k plus 1, m1 plus m2. So here section formula. Now this is the x coordinate, 3 by 4 is the x coordinate, so I'll write 3 by 4 equal to 2k plus 1 by 2 over k plus 1. Cross multiply 3 by 4 k plus 1 equal to 2k plus 1 by 2. So 3k plus 3 over 4. Here I'll take the LCM is 2, so 4k plus 1. So again, when we cross multiply, I get 6k plus 6 equal to 16k plus 5. So I get 6 minus 5 equal to 16k minus 6k. So 1 equal to 10k. So we got k equal to 1 by 10. So the ratio is 1:10. We made a mistake. There should be 4 here, which means here would be 6 minus 4, and this would be 2. So the ratio would be different. It would be k equal to 2 by 10, 1 by 5.